Alright guys, so it is magical, beautiful Monday again. I've got lots of energy, time to do a workout that can be done virtually anywhere with virtually no equipment. So let's get going. We're going to do a arm workout with a single cinder block today. It's going to be awesome. It's going to get you sore if you do it right. Stay tuned for that, and let's get to it. Boom. Alright, what's up guys? So it is another beautiful Monday out here in Reading. It is hot out. I got my workout shirt on. I got my sunglasses on because it's too bloody bright to not have them on. And I got these little weenie ass eyes. Anyway, so today we are going to be working on arms. So biceps, triceps, and forearms because the ladies love the arms. And frankly, they're just very useful to have when they're actually in good shape. So what you're going to need for today, like I said, we do this with virtually nothing, no special equipment. So today, all you're going to need is a single large cinder block. So you can find these almost anywhere. You can find them holding up tent supports. You can find them on walls, virtually anywhere. I always had these when we were out in the field or doing crap, and I could always find a cinder block or something similar to a cinder block somewhere and use it for my exercises. So that is what we're using today. So today we're going to be covering 3 basic, easy to do exercises for the arms. So the first one we're going to do is for your biceps, because that's where it's at. This one is going to be very simple. It is basic. It's a basic bicep curl, so you can do this pretty easily with a cinder block in a couple different ways. So what I'm going to do here, because I've only got one cinder block for this workout, because we're assuming that you could only find a single cinder block. You can do this with 2 cinder blocks, and I'll show you how, but right now we're going to do it with 1. So this is going to be a lot less weight than most of you guys are used to. What you're going to do, grab your cinder block, handy dandy cinder block, and you're going to put your hand in the 2 holes. That's what she said, or he said, or somebody said. Somebody said it, I don't know. Anyway, you're going to hold it like this with your thumbs over the top, and you're simply going to lower it in front of you and curl upwards. All you're going to do is simply do that over and over as many times as you can. So 1 and 2, and don't make fun of my forms because I don't give a crap. And that is how you do basic bicep curls with a cinder block. So now we're going to do the tricep extension. So what we're going to do for triceps is we're going to do a basic skull crusher. So as most of you probably know, a skull crusher is where you take a weight, you hold it over your head, and you extend up and down. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this with the cinder block. Quite simple. I'm going to step back so you can fully see how it works. So what you're going to do, grab your cinder block in the bottom of the 2 holes so that the upper side is sticking up towards your head. You're going to raise it over your head, and you're going to let it sit there kind of on your back like you're a donkey or whatever, you're carrying a weight, and then you're simply going to push upwards, up and up. Now, it's key to do a full extension here, and it's actually a lot harder than you think because the weight of the top of the cinder block is distributed behind you, and so it actually puts a lot of strain on your triceps. And there go my windshields, and that is how you do skull crushers with a cinder block. So the final one we're going to do is forearms. So forearms, often overlooked, good for climbing, good for parkour and martial arts, stuff like that. So forearms is going to be the muscle right here, which often does get ignored. So what you're going to do for forearms, you're going to take your handy dandy cinder block. You're going to hold it like you're going to do your curls. So curls are like this. So for forearms, you're going to hold your arms at a 90-degree angle, and you're going to lower and raise the cinder block. Now, this seems simple, but it really gets a great burn, not only on your biceps because you're holding it at a 90, but it gets a great burn on your forearms because you're lowering and extending the weight. So this is what this looks like. This is actually heavier than I normally do. Like I said, I do low weight, high rep because that's what I'm into. So there you go. Those are the 3 basic arm exercises you can do with a single cinder block. So to recap, you have your basic curls. Hold it like this, go all the way down, all the way up. Good. Skull crushers, hold it in the bottom of the 2 notches. Raise it over your head, up and down, over and over again. And finally, forearms. Hold it out in front of you at a 90-degree angle, down, up, up. There you go, guys. My cinder block just broke. Now I'm sad, but I just finished the video, so it's okay. Those are 3 exercises you can do. I got another video coming out in a couple days. Stay tuned for that. and subscribe, notifications, all that stuff. Have a great day. Boom!